Hello, again I am here to make you learn something new and yes, to reduce your mocking burden. Whether you are a teacher or your parent or any student, it will help you. So, welcome to my channel, Learn Jolly Phonics with Ritu. Learn with confidence and yes, the learning would be easier. So, what's today's topic? Today's topic is domestic animals. Domestic animals means the animals which can live with us. Okay, so let's start. Dog. D says D. D says D. O says R. So it becomes dog. G says G. Dog. 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 Okay, now let's see what's the next. The next one is cat. Cat. The little and the cute little pussy cat. So we have C as K, A as A. So it becomes cat. Now T, cat. Repeat with me. K, A, cat. 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 Let's come to the next one. Which one is cow? See, ow has the two sounds. Here we are going to call as OW as ow. Ow. So it is K, ow. K, ow. Cow. K, ow. Cow. Now let's come to our next. Which one is goat? Goat. G says G. G says G. And OA says O. O. So it becomes go. And T says T. Goat. Again, let me repeat. G. O. Goat. Goat. Let's come to our next domestic animal name, which is sheep. It's not sheep, it's sheep. SH combinedly says sh. Double E says E. She. Then P says P. Sheep. 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 Now let's come to the next one. Which one is horse? Horse. S says OR combinedly says or. So it becomes hor. And S says S. So it becomes horse. E at the end will be silent here. We are going to write it, but yes, the sound is silent. So how we are going to write is or, horse, horse. It is silent here. Let's come to the next one. Which one is pig? P says P. I says E. Pig. P says P. I says E. It becomes P. And G says G. Pig. 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 Now let's come to the next one. Which one is rabbit? The cute bunny, right? So R says R. A says A. B says B. So it becomes rab. Now bit. B. E. Bit. Bit. Sometimes dividing the word into the syllables will help you to make the sound and write it easily. Okay, so let me help you with that. So I have divided the word into the two syllables here, rab and bit. But yes, make sure to learn all the 42 sounds, rules and the alternates. If you haven't learned till now, make sure to go through my previous video so that you can learn all before learning all these things. So we are done with the rabbit. Now we have donkey. D, O, do, don, k, donk, and EY says E. Donkey. Okay, with the syllables, let me divide it into two. Don and key. D, O, don, and now key. K, E. EY says E. So it becomes donkey. Donkey. Let's come to the next one. Okay, it's hamster. Hamster. Look like the mouse, the rat, but it's the hamster. A, ha, ham, hams, hamst, hamster. You can divide into the syllable also and just spell it accordingly. Let me help you. Hamster, hamster, hamster. Ha, that is S is a. Ha, ham, hams, hams, hamster. So this is the last one that we have done. So we are done with our domestic animals name. Hope you have learned very well with me. So if you really like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share my video. It will help you to learn something new and also help me to encourage, because your support only help me to make some new videos to make you learn something new. Bye bye.